Beginner car flippers, if you could learn one thing about flipping a car, what would that be? When I first started flipping cars, the hardest thing that I struggled with was learning how to find a good deal on a car so that I could ensure the car wasn't broken and that I could make money on the car after all of my expenses. Then learning all of the buying and selling techniques to get the best deals on cars and also turn them and sell them as quickly as possible and get the maximum profit. Today, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 tips for car flippers for being able to confidently buy and sell your first car within 30 days. Tip number 1 is doing proper market research. One of the questions I get asked most is how do I find good deals and identify what car to buy? Most car flippers go in completely blind when it comes into purchasing a car. They either don't want to spend the money to purchase a full vehicle history report, or they lack in the knowledge of the vehicle price and what they should purchase or sell the vehicle for. Doing correct market research and planning before you purchase a vehicle is what separates you from succeeding or losing money on a flip. The first thing you need to do is get familiar with the market. Find your budget, then look for cars and vehicles that are listed within that price range. From there, you can narrow down to what you can actually afford and not get overwhelmed or bombarded with everything else that's out there. Once you start getting an idea of that market range and price range, narrow down on a few specific cars that you think you may be interested in. From there, go ahead and look up that car on other sites to see what the competitive pricing is and see what the car is actually selling for. The top things that I look for on a listing are: first, is it a clean title? Second, what problems does the vehicle currently have? By putting in the research to understand the current market of the cars within your budget, you'll be able to immediately know whether it's a good deal or if the vehicle is overpriced. Tip number 2 is calculating your expenses and profits before you even purchase the vehicle. Buying a car before you plan out all of the potential expenses can mean the difference between making or losing thousands of dollars. Most of the time, people purchase cars hoping that there's nothing wrong with the vehicle. Whereas you can actually plan for the worst and still make money if the numbers make sense. I use a budget calculator to project all of my expenses before I even make a flip. All the way from vehicle history reports, the cost of titles and registration, the potential parts and labor, as well as value adds on the car. This ensures that after all potential expenses, this helps eliminate risk, and I'm confidently able to go into each flip knowing that I will be able to make profit on the vehicle. Tip number 3 is inspecting the vehicle to buy. Not knowing how to inspect a vehicle properly can lead to potentially losing thousands of dollars if major issues are hidden and aren't diagnosed. There are many people out there that sell their cars that have problems, but they want to hide those so that they can get it off their hands. Some people will clear the codes of a vehicle, or others won't even mention to you that there are problems with the car. Using a step-by-step inspection checklist will give you the confidence to identify a healthy car and a good deal. Look for the red flags on the vehicle that could be expensive to fix or devalue the car. Also, you can focus on finding small potential fixes that may be cheap and easy, but could help you leverage the negotiation price of the vehicle. Tip number 4 is knowing how to negotiate a good purchase. The profit is in the buy. That is one of the most popular phrases in the car flipping world. Knowing the strategies on how to negotiate are essential to not getting giddy or too excited about purchasing the car, overpaying for a vehicle, not offending the seller. Knowing how to structure and offer a lower price without coming off as a lowballer, as well as countering any objections that may be thrown at you. This allows you to maintain control of the situation and get the absolute best price for maximum profits on your flip. Tip number 5 is how to properly prep and list a vehicle to sell quickly. And most cars or listings on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist are just bad. Many are super vague and have no details about the vehicle whatsoever, and some may have 1 or 2 photos just on the listing. Listing your vehicle with poor photos and descriptions leads to low views, slower sells, and people thinking that you're just a sketchy seller. If you look at listings on market right now, most of the time people don't even detail or clean the cars that they're selling, which honestly just makes the car less appealing to buy. When you take an extra hour to specifically detail and clean your car and take really nice photos of it, that helps you stand out from every other car that may be out there because of the time and effort that you've put into the vehicle. Not only that, but it helps increase the value of your car as well. By listing the correct photos and description on your listing, you're able to weed out the tire kickers and lowballers, as well as find people that are truly interested in purchasing your car. If you need more help or guidance on flipping cars and learning how to do proper market research and identify good deals for purchasing cars, budget out potential expenses or profits before you buy a car, know how to inspect a vehicle to buy, and how to negotiate and create a good deal on a purchase, knowing the legal requirements and paperwork needed when buying or selling a car, as well as being able to confidently list and sell your vehicle vehicle in a short period of time so your money isn't tied up in a car for months, go ahead and check out our course. Our team ranges from flippers that have flipped under 100 cars to professionals that have flipped over 30,000 cars in just the past 15 years. All of our systems and processes are brought together in an all-inclusive, all-in-one curriculum where not only you will become confident and consistent in buying and selling cars, but you'll actually get a behind-the-scenes look at our team's 8-figure car flipping business. Join us in taking your car flipping skills and passions to the next level.